Today is my 40th birthday, and it feels weird. Normally, birthdays never bothered me. Getting old never really bothered me. But to say that I'm 40, it's kind of weird. My aunts bought me some 40th gear, so it's only right that we wear it while we beat our face. I think we're gonna do like a pinky purple halo kind of moment. So this is the Kat Von D color stick in shade Bubblegum, and I'm just blending kind of the outside of him. So I'm taking this color and I'm just putting it in the inner and outer corners. For the halo, I'm going to use our new product called Stars in a Jar. It is a liquid gel eyeshadow. So I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that, how smooth that is. I'm gonna turn the camera around because you need to see this with the light. So I'm just gonna take some on my finger and just kind of dab it in the middle. This stuff does dry down really fast, but I normally just put it with my finger first and then I'll go in with a brush and then just blend out the edges. Then I'm just going to take my fluffy brush with whatever color I had left over and just kind of blend it in. So it looks something like this. Our 138 blenders are back in stock, just FYI. You're going to go back in with your Kat Von D stick and do the inner and outer corners of your lower lash. You are only as old as you feel, and I have turned 20 twice.